Hello my dear students, I am Sujata Chawla, your chemistry teacher from Shri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science. How are you all? Firstly, I appreciate all of you for staying at home and contributing in safety of all. It's not easy, I know. Remember, you all are our first priority. So we, the teachers of Shri T.P. Bhatia Junior College of Science, under the guidance of our respected principal ma'am, have come up with this new concept of online teaching to stay connected with all of you. We had posted presentation on classification of halogen derivatives and methods of preparation of alkyl halides yesterday by our chemistry HOD Ganga ma'am and Rajnish sir. I hope you have taken the advantage of that easy and explanatory presentation. But knowing is not enough. We must apply. So we posted MCQ paper on the same. Let's discuss the answers for the same now. Question number 1. The position of Br in CH3CH double bond CH C Br CH3 twice can be classified as. 4 options are given. Now let's see the structure of this molecule first. Now in this structure, as you can see, Br is attached to carbon, which is further attached to carbon-carbon double bond. So this type of molecule is known as allylic. So the position of Br in this molecule can be said as allyl. The correct answer is A, allyl. Question 2. Identify haloalkane from the following. Now here, from the given options, as you can see, in option A, bromine is attached to propyl group. So as per the definition of haloalkane, haloalkanes are the compounds in which one hydrogen atom of alkane is replaced by one halogen atom. That means halogen atom is attached to alkyl group. So the correct option over here is A, 2-bromopropane. In this option B, chlorobenzene, chlorine is attached to benzene. So this is haloarine. Option C, chlorine is attached to vinyl group. So this is vinylic halide. In option D, bromine is attached to carbon-carbon double bond, showing that it is haloalkene. Question 3. The hybridization of carbon attached to halogen in allylic halide is. Now here students, as you know, the structure of allylic halide is as shown over here. In this, halogen atom is attached to carbon, which is further attached to 4 different atoms. So it is making 4 bonds which are single. So it is similar to that of structure of methane, in which carbon is making 4 single bonds with 4 hydrogen atoms, which we have done in 11th standard. So what is the hybridization of carbon in methane? It is sp3. Yes, so here also right option is C, sp3. Question 4. In primary alkyl halide, carbon attached to the halogen is further attached to how many carbon atoms? Now students, you know alkyl halides are classified into primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides based on the type of carbon to which halogen atom is attached in the molecule. Now, in primary alkyl halide, as you can see, halogen atom is attached to the carbon atom, which is further attached to the one more carbon atom. So, the right answer is A, 1. Question 5. Starting substance for the preparation of CH3Cl is. This is a very easy question actually students. As you know, in the method of preparation of alkyl halides, R, that is alkyl group in the starting substance, always remain the same. So in the given options, as you can see, in option A, that is CH3OH. CH3 is present, which we require to prepare CH3Cl. In all other options, different alkyl groups are present which cannot give us CH3Cl as a product. So the correct option over here is A, CH3OH, that is methyl alcohol. Question 6. ROH plus HX giving us RX plus water. In this reaction, the order of reactivity of alcohol is. Now students, here you should know, similar to alkyl halides, there are different types of alcohols also. That is tertiary, secondary and primary, depending on the type of carbon atom to which OH is attached in a molecule. Now to understand the reactivity order, we should first understand the reaction. In this, ROH, RO bond is polar due to the difference in electronegativities of oxygen and carbon in R. So, during the course of reaction, this RO bond breaks, giving rise to the carbocation. Now, this we have done in 11th standard, if you remember, students. Among the different types of carbocations, tertiary carbocation is more stable than secondary, which is more stable than primary. Why it is so? As you know, in tertiary carbocation, there are 3 alkyl groups attached to positively charged carbon. Alkyl groups are electron donating, they have plus I effect. So, by increasing electron density as positively charged carbon atom, it stabilizes that carbon. So, the tertiary carbocation gets stabilized than secondary one, which is further gets more stabilized than primary one. As you can see, in secondary there are 2 alkyl groups stabilizing positively charged carbon, and in primary there is only 1 alkyl group stabilizing the positively charged carbon. So in this case, the correct reactivity order is tertiary is more stable than secondary than primary. Since tertiary carbocation is more stable, reaction will move in the forward direction and the bond between R and O breaks easily. So the correct option in this case is D. Question 7. Lucas reagent is. Now students, Lucas reagent is anhydrous zinc chloride plus concentrated HCl. And this you are going to remember because this is required and many times it is asked in MCQs. Now as we have seen in the previous slide, primary and secondary alcohol, they don't react that readily with HCl giving us alkyl halide. So in that process, we have to use this catalyst anhydrous zinc chloride and concentrated HCl to get the product. So the correct answer over here is option A. Question 8. Which of the following organic compounds react readily with HCl at room temperature? Now as you can see, students, in the given options, all the molecules are alcohol. And we already know that tertiary alcohol react readily with HCl at room temperature. So our job is to find out which one is the tertiary alcohol molecule. As you know, tertiary alcohol is the one in which OH is attached to the carbon atom, which is further attached to 3 alkyl groups. So which is such molecule in these options? That is option C, CH3 tri-COH, tertiary butyl alcohol, right? So the correct option is C. Now as we have done few questions based on primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halide, I hope you have become clear with the concept, and that will help you to understand the classification part as well as the preparation part of this chapter. Question 9. In the reaction C2H5OH with NaBr in presence of H2SO4 gives. Now in this, students, you must remember that C2H5OH is not going to react with NaBr or H2SO4, but NaBr is going to react with H2SO4 to produce HBr first, which in turn will react with C2H5OH to give you a product. This type of production of HBr is known as in situ preparation. So now the reaction has become very simple. It's a reaction between C2H5OH and HBr. So what is the product? Yes, C2H5Br. So the correct option over here is C. Question 10. Which of the following method is not a method of preparation of alkyl halides? Option A, Groove's method. This is the reaction between alcohol and HCl, which we have already discussed. Option B, halogenation of alkanes. This we have done last year. If you remember, alkanes react with halogens in presence of suitable catalyst to give us corresponding alkyl halide. Option C, addition of HX into alkene. This also we have done last year. Alkene when treated with HX, it follows Markovnikov's rule if the alkene is unsymmetrical alkene and gives us corresponding alkyl halide. Now option D is hydration of alkene. As you can see, alkene plus water gives us alcohol and not alkyl halide. So in this, correct option is D. Question 11. When ethyl alcohol reacts with thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine, the product obtained are. Now in this, students, you must know what is thionyl chloride. Thio is used for sulfur, S. So thionyl chloride is SOCl2. When ethyl alcohol is treated with thionyl chloride, that is SOCl2, it gives ethyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. So in this reaction, pyridine is being used just to neutralize HCl being produced during the course of reaction. So here correct option is B. Question 12. Which of the following reagents gives the best method of preparation of alkyl halide when react with alcohols? In the previous slide, we have seen one method of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol and SOCl2. In that, we get SO2 and HCl as the byproducts. These byproducts are formed in the gaseous phase, so they escape the reaction mixture, leaving behind pure form of the alkyl halide. So that's why this is the best method of preparation of alkyl halide, as we don't have to separate it from the byproducts. So the correct option is C, SOCl2 and in presence of pyridine. Question 13. Ethyl bromide is prepared from. Now if you notice in all the options A, B and C has the starting molecule which contain 2 carbon atoms which can give us ethyl bromide as the product. Now let's see these options one by one. In A, C2H5OH plus Br2. This reaction is not possible. Now in option B, C2H5OH plus red phosphorus plus Br2. In this reaction, red phosphorus and Br2 reacts first to give us PBr3 in C2, which otherwise is very unstable. So the reaction is actually between C2H5OH and PBr3, giving us C2H5Br, that is ethyl bromide, plus H3PO3, that is phosphorus acid. So let's see option C as well. This is CH2 double bond CH2 plus Br2. As you can see, this is just an addition reaction to give us a dihalide. So in this, the correct option is B. Question 14. The increasing order of reactivity of HX in the reaction ROH plus HX giving us RX plus water is. Here we have to discuss the reactivity order of HX, that is halo acid. Now in the halogens group 17 atoms, atomic size or ionic size increases from fluorine to iodine. As the atomic size increases, the bond length also increases and that weakens the bond. So it becomes easier to react. So in case of these halo acids, the HF is the smallest molecule and it is the least reactive, while HI is the largest molecule and it is the most reactive. But here we have to pay attention to increasing order. So the option B gives us this increasing order of halo acids. HF is least reactive, then Cl is less reactive, then HBr which is less reactive than HI. So the correct option is B. Question 15. The negative part of the addendum, the molecule to be added, adds on to the carbon atom of the double bond containing the least number of hydrogen atoms. This rule is known as you all know, this we have done last year in 11th standard in the addition reaction of alkene. When unsymmetrical alkene gets added to unsymmetrical reagent, we follow this rule. The name of the rule is Markovnikov's rule. Yes, the correct option is B. Question 16. Halogenation of alkanes is not suitable for preparation of alkyl halides because, as you know, when halogenation of alkane takes place with halogen, it is a free radical chain reaction and it continues to replace hydrogen atom available in alkanes to give us mono, di, tri, tetra, etc. mixture of mono and polyhalogen compound, which are very difficult to separate from each other, and that's why it is not a suitable method for preparation of alkyl halide. So here option A is the correct option. Question 17. Propene on treatment with HBr gives. In this, propene is an unsymmetrical alkene and HBr is an unsymmetrical reagent. So it follows Markovnikov's rule of addition. So in HBr, negative part of the reagent is Br, being more electronegative, gets added to double bonded carbon which has less number of hydrogen atom as shown in this, giving us isopropyl bromide. So the correct option is A. Question 18. Which of the following organic compound will give a mixture of 1-chlorobutane and 2-chlorobutane on chlorination? Now, if you observe all the given options, you can see all of them are alkene. Alkene giving a mixture of product. That means it has to be an unsymmetrical alkene. So, which are the unsymmetrical alkene present over here? So, that is option A and option D. Since it has two different groups attached across the double bond. But in case of option A, if you see, the 4-carbon system also has CH3 as a side chain, so it cannot give you chlorobutane. So the correct option is D, which can give you the desired product. Question 19. Which of the following acids adds to propane in the presence of peroxide to give anti-Markovnikov's product? As you know, anti-Markovnikov's reaction proceeds through free radical mechanism. HX in presence of peroxide forms X free radical, but HF and HCl being smaller in size, the bond cannot be broken and reaction is not possible. HBr gives Br free radical and HI gives iodine free radical, but iodine free radical adds together to give iodine, I2, and reaction is again not possible. So only reagent available over here is HBr, which gives Br free radical and adds up to propane according to anti-Markovnikov's rule. So the correct option over here is B. Question 20. Methyl bromide reacts with AgF to give methyl fluoride and silver bromide. This reaction is called as, this is Schwarz reaction. Do remember, this is very important. Due to explosive nature, RF, alkyl fluorides, cannot be prepared by other known ways. So, alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are treated with silver fluoride or antimony fluoride like any other metal fluoride to give corresponding alkyl fluoride. This is just an exchange reaction. This is known as halogen exchange reaction. So, the correct option over here is B. Question 21. Which of the following is halogen exchange reaction? Students, there are two halogen exchange reactions. One is Schwarz and the other one is Finkelstein, in which alkyl iodides are formed. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromide are treated with sodium iodide in presence of dry acetone to give alkyl iodide. So here the correct option is B. Question 22. iodoalkanes are prepared by refluxing alcohols with Ki, and the correct option over here is A. Here, Ki and H3PO4 forms HiNC2, which further reacts with alcohol to give iodoalkane. Question 23. Which of the following is formed as a major product in the reaction of HBr on propene in presence of peroxide? So, which reaction is this? This will follow anti-Markovnikov's rule since peroxide is taken in the reaction. That is, negative part of the reagent will go to that double bonded carbon atom which is attached to more number of hydrogen atoms. So, the product obtained over here is CH3, CH2, CH2Br, that is 1-bromopropane, that is option D. Question 24. Monohalogen hydrocarbon in which halogen is attached to sp hybridized carbon atom is called as. Here, hydrocarbon containing sp hybridized carbon, that means carbon making triple bond with another carbon. So these type of halogen derivatives are known as haloalkynes. So the correct option over here is B. Question 25. Which reagent cannot be used to prepare an alkyl halide from alcohol? Now we have already done all the methods of preparation of alkyl halide from alcohol, and in those reactions we have already used the reagents from option A, B and D. So here the correct option is C, that is Cu2Cl2. With this, I conclude my topic. My dear students, this is a very new experience for both of us. I tried my best to give my 100%. Do write in the comment box for any suggestions. We will definitely improve further. Education is a two-way learning process. We will be back with more enriching session soon. Bye. Take care.